How to engage the walking foot, or known as the IDT system on a Pfaff. And it's slightly different from a traditional walking foot you would see for most other machines. So on the Pfaff, you'll find that you have this part here, which is the walking foot mechanism. And so this now gets brought down and engaged into the back of the foot. Your normal foot for a Pfaff would look like this. And if I bring in the one for the walking mechanism, you can see that you have this cutaway at the back of the foot, and that is where the walking mechanism will fit in. This foot will go on the same as all the others, and you can with the Pfaff just literally push on the foot like so. You then pull down and bring forward, and that's now fully engaged. Let's pop our fabric underneath, put our foot down, and off we go.